Hello, my name's Trevor Ty. I'm the Systems and Network Coordinator at the St. Albert Public Library. I will be talking to you about blogging and video casting for creating documentation. What you need: screen recording software, a good USB mic. Great audio is essential for great documentation. If you don't have great audio, you may as well throw what you have in the trash and start over. Image and video editing software, an HD USB camera, optional. It really depends what you're trying to do. If you want to live stream or record a live presentation, what goal are you wanting the user to accomplish? Is this for understanding? Is it a step-by-step tutorial? Should they be able to complete a task? Is this something where they should be able to replicate any number of times without an error? A lot of these items you probably have in your makerspace programs. Goals for documentation. Typically, my goals for my documentation is to keep it to a 1-minute skim. Videos should be 3 to 5 minutes maximum. Keep in mind your target audience, though, for your posts that will affect the length and complexity and skill level by the user. I've done posts that are very simple to very complex, requiring over an hour to accomplish. Have lots of pictures. You should have one for every step of your blog post. Break down large, long blog posts and videos into smaller segments. The KISS principle. The last thing you want to do is create a huge manual no one will read. Most importantly, though, create documentation for yourself. It should be something that you want to go back to and refer to. Always check your work. Is the process easy to follow? Do you get stuck or have to pause? If you're going through creating your documentation and you get stuck or have to pause, you may want to rethink your process or see if you're missing a step. Do you understand it? When you go back and go through it, does it work? Can you replicate the work and process correctly? Can you easily come back if you're interrupted? Can you pick up easily where you leave off? Why? Why did I do this? Why did we start doing this at the library? Well, I did it for me. I did it as a reference for things that I needed to replicate over and over again. I created a documentation video for adding .NET Framework 3.5 to Windows 7 Essentials. I created a step-by-step process for adding iOS applications to iPads using an MDM, and creating a LAMP server on Linux so that it can be easily replicated. It had the side effect of becoming a reference for others to use. I was able to pass off other simple IT support items I would normally deal with to other staff because the process is easy to follow. A good example of this, again, is the MDM for adding and removing applications to iPads. It was a great continuous learning opportunity for me as it kept me up to date, and I was able to go back and update posts, and it had the side effect of helping educate users. Sanitize and share. Sanitize sensitive information and post it everywhere. Be mindful of any security credentials, logins, passwords. Putting the process out there really shouldn't matter so long as the document has been properly sanitized. Get feedback, take it to heart, and respond unless, of course, they're trolls. Practice and improve your process. The more you practice and improve your process, the faster and better you will get at doing documentation. Welcome surprises. In 2017, I was nominated for the Microsoft MVP Award because of the documentation I was doing on my blog with Microsoft Hyper-V. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach me at ttie@sapple.ca.